AI is changing the game. And if you're not using it to make money, you're missing out. In this video, I'll show you 3 proven ways to make money with AI, whether you're a freelancer, an entrepreneur, or just starting out. Let's go. 1. AI-powered freelancing. You don't need to be a coder to make money with AI. You can offer AI-powered freelancing services on Fiverr or Upwork. Content writing. Use AI tools like ChatGPT or Jasper to write blog posts, scripts, or social media content in minutes. Graphic design. Canva, AI, and Midjourney can help you create stunning logos, posters, and branding materials. Video editing. With AI-powered tools like Runway and Pictory, you can edit videos and create viral content fast. If you already have a skill, AI can make you 10 times more efficient and profitable. 2. AI-powered e-commerce and drop shipping. E-commerce is booming, and AI is making it easier than ever. AI for product research. Tools like Sell the Trend help you find trending products that people actually want to buy. AI chatbots. Automate customer support with AI chatbots like ManyChat and ChatGPT API. AI-generated designs. Create and sell AI-generated t-shirt designs, digital art, or stickers on platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, and Teespring. Start an online store with AI doing half the work for you. 3. AI automation and consulting. AI automation. Use tools like Zapier or Make.com to automate repetitive business tasks. AI chatbot development. Set up AI-powered chatbots for small businesses and charge them a monthly fee. AI content. Consulting. Teach businesses how to use AI for marketing, social media, and sales. With AI, you can start a high-income side hustle or even launch a full-time business. AI is not the future, it's right now. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and comment below which AI money-making method you'll try first.